Hey there.
Ever wondered what P2P means in Binance?
Well, you're in the right place. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, and it's a game changer in the world of cryptocurrency. With Binance P2P, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users, just like you would in person. You'll find a wide range of cryptocurrencies available for P2P trading, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and many more. Here's how it works. First, download the Binance app if you haven't already. Then, select the P2P option from the app's menu. Browse through the available listings and choose a seller or buyer that suits your needs. Initiate a trade, and Binance will act as an escrow service, ensuring the security of your funds. It's safe, convenient, and provides you with multiple payment options. And the best part? You can trade anytime, anywhere. So, that's P2P and Binance, a revolutionary way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies peer-to-peer. Give it a try and explore the world of P2P trading on Binance today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights.